All right, Electrolux model. All right, so what I've done is taken the back panel off, just 2 screws, one here, one over there, then the back panel pulls back and then you take it off. Then this, there's a screw here and a screw here, same thing on the right side. You leave this screw in, but you take these out, and then you set the control panel aside. Then you have a screw here, here, one there, and one down there. And there might be a screw over here. I don't think there is actually. This one does not have any screws in the drum, or not the drum, but the drum frame. But the way to get the front off is after you get the screws off, you have to kind of lift up on the door frame. You see how this is loose now? I had to lift up on it to get it to unlatch. This one's still fixed in over here. I'm going to lift up on it. Because it's such an old machine, I had to really exert some force. But this and down there go into here. So I just took apart this dryer. Super bad airflow on the roof. Let me get some more light in here. The homeowner, I was just showing the homeowner before I cleaned it out because I wanted to see it. I want him to see it with his own eyes. I'm about to show you what I just pulled off in front of him from there, the heating outlet. But you can see another great reason why it's so important to clean out the dryer. What I just pulled out is on the dryer. Let's see how big that is. That's charred roasted lint. That's not rust.